sprinkling and it's windy. And there are a bunch of people surfing right now.
Surfing ha. Tôm hùm trên này nhiều lắm. Yeah, lobster. Đó mày, nhưng mà tôm hùm nhiều lắm á.
How cool, surfers. Okay, we have made it. Twin Falls, $10. Separate parking. They are a separate entity from state parks. They said everything on the left is shorter, and they have 3 waterfalls. So let's go check it out.
7 giờ sáng. 6 giờ chiều. Hop, 8 giờ sáng.
Hey, look at the chicken.
Fountain này, trail này, restroom này.
These are the bathrooms.
Hồi nãy nó làm cái nó là cây nhất á, mà nó già lắm rồi. Nó lâu đời lắm.
My parents also love looking at the plants in Maui. And honestly, anywhere we go, we would be at Disneyland and they would also be looking at the plants. They love it.
Good.
We're the only ones in this area. This is also a mini waterfall. Let's go back up. What is it?
Fishing.
What is that? Can you eat it? And they have it in Vietnam? So what's it called?
Sheep.
Is it like a fruit? My parents are freaking out over this fruit that they see because the last time they saw it was in Vietnam. Okay, let us go. Warning, experienced hikers only. My mommy learning how to take pictures. Thanks, mommy. Sorry. I told my parents to bring water shoes and they didn't believe me. So now they're trying to walk across this thing without getting wet. And I'm just walking with my feet in the water. Good job. My dad says I need to be a better YouTuber and show you guys all the plants that you've never seen before. So,
Nature art. They call it nature art.
let me show you this bamboo tree he wants me to show you guys.
See, a lot of people look at it.
Look how fast they drive. We have stopped. I'm assuming this is the traffic that people are talking about. People walked away, or it could be construction. TBD. Someone is getting out of their car. That lady's getting out of her car. She's walking. She's hopefully gonna see what's going on. Also, these pretzels from Costco are delicious. They're not coated in cheese, I don't think. They're coated in butter. We're at a dead stop. Rain's like off and on all day. One thing I was hoping for was no rain on the road to Hana. And it's raining again. Wow, this place is insanely beautiful. This is where we are. Oh, this camera's not waterproof. Ah! I have no idea where the rain came from. It's been like sprinkling a little bit, but then it just started downpouring. Oh, look at this.
Đúng rồi, ngõ này. Thằng đó buông chưa là còn chụp hình ngoài ấy.
Okay, we are at...
Nè. Cái này ở đâu? Để bao bấm lên đó mà.
My dad's looking at supermarkets. Dad, it's at Honolulu.
Không mà nó là near me mà.
No, Honolulu, you have to fly a plane to another island. We're at Aunty Sandy's. It's a very warm banana bread. It's famous banana bread here. Feel it? Feel it.
À chà.
Feel it, Mom?
Mới làm giống như mình thôi mà, phải không?
But they're known for it. Okay, we're gonna try it. And then I also got a fruit smoothie as well for my mom to try. Okay, let's try it while we're sitting in the rain. Try this, Mom.
Maui. Chỗ đấy là Maui.
Thì hồi nãy ba nói là near me mà.
Not near me, Maui. We're in Maui. Cheers. Right. You like that, Mom? Try it, Dad.
Nó near me mà nó nói đúng rồi. Nhưng mà nó như mình thôi. Tự giống mình thôi.
Của bà bảo ơi mình ấy nên như pháp.
Nó trồng chuối nó làm phải không?
This smoothie has no flavor.
Nó tươi với mình.
Has no flavor. It tastes like water.
Là của nó hả?
It's banana, mango, pineapple, strawberry, everything, but doesn't taste like anything.
Ít biển nó nại.
Huh?
Biển nó nại.
There's this beautiful view. Beautiful view. And my parents are looking at the oi instead. I don't know if you can see it, but there's oi there.
Chụp hình đấy.
It was literally pouring rain 5 seconds ago. It's crazy. Oh, Dad, look at the waterfall. Can you see it? All the way back down. There's this long staircase. Let me show you.
Okay.
Huh?
Không có trái nữa.
My parents keep looking at the oi.
Ổi đây hả? Ổi này. Không có trái. Kia là còn 2-3 trái nữa.
Go take a picture. The stairs. My dad ran this earlier. No one's in there. Không có ai. We have made our way through Hana. It has been pouring rain here and there. It'll like literally like pour so hard and then be completely... My dad is freaking out because he thinks that there's a lot of fish out there, which I too believe. Yes, we are currently at a beach, but I had tried to go to this park twice already. I accidentally got the Hawaiian residence pass for the reservation, so we were not allowed to go. There's one more beach that we're gonna go to, and then we'll make our way back so that we don't get back too late and it's too dark. Anyways, it was very nice. It's not cold either. No. My dad's talking about these teeny little crabbies. Snails. Very small snails. My dad wants to go fishing. At our last stop, Hamoa Beach, I believe it's called. And this is the path. Got a little railing for you, Mom. Everywhere on the ground is Chitty's favorite flowers. I believe to this day that is actually still Chitty's favorite flowers, and they're everywhere. It's actually really sad to see them on the ground because they're such beautiful flowers. Anyways, we're gonna make our way back on the road to Hana. But let me show you guys, my dad grows dragon fruits, and this is the like cactus stem of the tree that grows the dragon fruits. It's insane. It's like wrapped around the tree and it goes all the way up and it scales all the way to the top. It's crazy. It is dinner time. We are at the Paia fish market, and there's a huge line. There's a lot of people for dinner time, and it's very small. They have a few outdoor seating. I ordered a bunch of food and we're gonna give it a go. Fish tacos with a side of french fries. My mom, I got her a garden salad with salmon on top. And then this, they said, is the most popular. It's mahi mahi with rice and coleslaw. French fries. They look crispy. French fries are delicious. Ooh. Magic sauce. Ooh, smells nice. It's sweet, but gai. Interesting. Gai? Fish taco. Fish taco is yummy. Good? Fish taco is good. The sauce is interesting. It's sweet. It's sweet but really spicy. My dad's mahi mahi with Cajun rice. It was good, guys. Not my mom. Salmon. Garden salad.
What is the chop?
This is pineapple. That's good. Everything is delicious. I understand why there's a long line. The line is really long, but the service was fast. They cooked it fast. Do you like the seasoning? Try it. I like the mashed potatoes better.
cả có đường.
It is currently 6:15 and I'm dragging my parents to go watch the sunset. I showed them the picture of the sunset yesterday and they were like, oh, that's pretty. And I was like, yeah, happened while you were sleeping. So I'm dragging them to go see the sunset. Let's go look. It's only across the street, so it's really close. Yay! Look at this boat. It's on the beach. It says no trespassing. It is property of Hawaii.
Hold it.
My parents are not impressed. I think we missed it because the sunset is gone. My parents are not impressed. I think it looks beautiful. I mean, look at this. Insane. And there's a boat. My parents are fascinated with the boat.